Hello friends, hope you all are doing amazing. It's time for another fun word with me. Today's idiom of the day is piece of cake. But wait, are we thinking about actual cake? Because I love cake. But wait, no, this idiom isn't about dessert. When something is a piece of cake means it's super easy task to do. So, if I say tying my shoes was a piece of cake, means I could do it easily. Or we can say that homework was a piece of cake. Or I practiced so much, the dance was a piece of cake for me. So, remember friends, next time something feels super easy, just say it was a piece of cake. See you next time on Vocab with Aileen. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more such fun words. Take care.